Welcome to Silica Mag. Today's tutorial about full circle dress. This is a full length and full circle dress you can make according to your measurement. Here I take 59 inches the length, and you can take the 40 inch length fabric. So basically you need a very full length of full width of fabric, 52 inches, and here I take the 43 the length for my this circles dress, only the skirt part. And here I'm taking the waist. I just mark here according to my waist. So for waist there is two method. You can use a Google calculator for circle skirt dress, or otherwise you can measure your waist and you can divide that on 3.14. so in that way you will get your waist. And after marking this slant line, measure the length and then mark something like this, so you will get a curved line. I will mark here a curved line so you guys can see here. So basically now we are working on two measurement, the waist measurement and the total length measurement. So this is very easy, but sometimes people feel that it's very tricky. But you can see here you just need a waist measurement divide by 3.14, and all the seam allowances are included, and one part of this fabric is closed and all other three parts are open. So here I'm marking 43 inches for my length, and if you are working with centimeter you can mark here 110 centimeters. This is a full length dress, and till your ankle. And you can see I just mark here my waistline, and first I will cut this line. I will also highlight with a line so you can guys see this is. And now I'm going to cut my this the bottom thing. And guys, when we stitch this skirt part with our body part, I will share more tips and tricks how you can adjust perfectly, because sometimes what happened that maybe one part is bigger and you will get some gathers. So how you can avoid this I will share, and so don't skip the video from any part. And see, after cutting all these things we will get something like this. And now I'm going to open my this circle, and basically you will get two half circles within the 52 inches of fabric that is usually you can that is available in cotton and all this stuff. So easily you can get 52 inches with fabric and you can make your full circle dress from there. So see, now I get two half circle basically, and now I'm going to join these two circles from the side lines and side stitching. See, that's how two circle within all this 4 fabric. And I put here a scissor so you can imagine, you can realize that how big this circle is actually, because I'm using my floor to spread this fabric. And because my fabric is very stretchy and very tricky, I'm going to finish my edges with the serger. But if you don't have serger, usually it feel difficult to hem your umbrella or circle dress, the hemming line, because the outer circle is bigger than the inner circle. So what the tip is that you need to use the press with the steam. So how much you give your fabric steam, it will a little shrink and it will adjust according to that. So first folding you need to do with the pressing, and then you can use a basting stitch and then go to the machine. So that's how you can finish your hem very neatly. but if you are, you can see here how neatly and quickly I finish my all this circle hemline. So if you are working on a small scale business, so you can invest on this serger. This is very good investment. So now I just mark my shoulder line, that is here 7.5 inches, and then the chest line, and then the total body measurement. All these things I explained in my videos previously, so you can check if you don't know how to make the basic pattern. So this is the body, and I'm keeping here 1 inch seam allowances. And the neckline, I decided here the V neck, but any type of neckline you can make here. So 2.5 inches is here the neckline width, and then depth again depend on your choice. I make here the 7 inches. So after that I'm just going to cut it, and then we'll stitch the fitting lines, and then we'll show you how you can fit your umbrella or your circle part within this body. Because that is the most tricky part, especially if you are working with stretchy fabric. So fitting the waistline on your this body part is very important that you follow all these steps. So now I just mark the center for my this body part, and also I mark the center of my frill part or my skirt part. And now I'm going to attach the center with the center. Handle very carefully, because this circle is because when our fabric is cut in a round shape, it become more stretchy. So handle very with very gentle hands, and pin up it properly. See, center with the center, side with the side. So at this point you can also use the basting stitch, I mean hand stitch first and then go to the machine, or otherwise use a lot of pins and adjust your fabric. See, I just attach all these pins, and now I'm going to my machine and will show you how you can stitch. So first you can remove this part if it's your machine is free arm option. So after removing, you can adjust your fabric and you can start stitching. And while you are stitching, you maybe feel that some part is becoming big, mostly the skirt part. So you need to stretch a little bit your body part to adjust it accordingly. And that's how you manage your fabric. Don't go very fast. Take a small portions and work on that, and then continue on the whole circle. If you stitch very fast, you maybe end up some mistake. So hope you like this video. Please don't forget to thumbs up, press the thumbs up button. This is the final look you can see. And if you are first time here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.